Kia ora, I'm David Chaston with 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz. This week at Everything You Need to Know in 90 seconds at 9 o'clock, with news the chances of a global recession are receding in 2023. But first up today, the US Federal Reserve announced the expected 25 basis points rate hike, taking its upper bound rate to 5.25% and a 16-year high. Their short statement reinforced their focus on getting inflation back down to its target 2% range. Their decision was unanimous. But compared to previous pledges, this statement no longer refers to the potential need to raise rates from here. The Fed doesn't see a recession coming for the US. And elsewhere, data today confirms their assessment that the American economic activity expanded at a modest pace in the first quarter, and is continuing like that. The widely watched ISM Services PMI for April rose at a slightly faster and modest expansion, with new orders strong. The US ADP employment report signalled a much faster expansion in the April labour market than expected, also confirming the Fed's view of a strong labour market there. And we should probably also note that American car sales are rising again, now running at a 15.9 million annual rate in April, a sharp improvement from the 14.8 million rate in March. And India's service sector is firing on all cylinders, with a sharp improvement in April to a fast expansion built on strong new order flows. And the European labour markets is tighter too. The bloc's jobless rate fell slightly to 6.5% in March, and this is now its lowest rate on record. International trade by air cargo is still easing back, however, but the decline moderated in March. The levels were 8% lower than a year ago and about 8% lower than pre-pandemic levels too. However, Asia-Pacific volumes were down a bit more. The only region posting increases over pre-pandemic activity is North America. The US Treasury 10-year yield starts today at 3.40% and back down another 3 basis points from this time yesterday. And the price of gold will start today at $2,023, and that's up $11 from yesterday. But oil prices have fallen sharply again, down another $3 from yesterday to just be under $68.50 a barrel in the US, while the international Brent price is now just on $72 a barrel. And the Kiwi dollar is marginally firmer against the US dollar, now at 62.4 US cents. Against the Australian dollar, we're marginally firmer too, at 93.4 Australian cents. Against the euro, we're up marginally to 56.5 euro cents. That all means our trade weighted index is now at 70.3 and up 20 basis points from this time yesterday. Get more news affecting the economy in New Zealand from interest.co.nz. Kia ora, I'm David Chaston. That was 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz.